What is a Heisenbug in JavaScript debugging? Have you ever faced a bug in your code that seems to vanish when you try to track it down? This phenomenon is known as a Heisenbug. The term comes from the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle in physics, which suggests that observing a particle can change its state. In programming, the act of debugging can alter the behavior of a bug, making it difficult to catch. In JavaScript, Heisenbugs can be particularly tricky due to the language's asynchronous nature. JavaScript often runs in environments like web browsers or Node.js, where events can happen at unpredictable times. When you try to pause execution or add debugging statements, you might change the timing or state of your program, causing the bug to disappear or behave differently. Heisenbugs usually occur under specific timing or concurrency conditions. They can be hard to reproduce consistently, which adds to the challenge. When you attempt to observe the bug, you might inadvertently alter the program's behavior, hiding the bug or changing its symptoms. Common causes of Heisenbugs in JavaScript include race conditions in asynchronous code, issues with event handling, or subtle state changes that depend on timing. For example, if you add a console log or set a breakpoint, it might delay execution enough to prevent a race condition from happening, causing the bug to vanish during debugging. To tackle Heisenbugs effectively, you can use several practical approaches. First, consider using non-intrusive logging or monitoring tools that minimize changes to timing. This way, you can gather information without affecting the program's state. Another strategy is to employ automated tests that simulate concurrency or asynchronous flows. This can help you reproduce the bug in a controlled manner. Analyzing your code for potential race conditions or state changes that depend on timing is also essential. Understanding Heisenbugs is important for mastering JavaScript debugging. It highlights the limitations of traditional debugging methods when dealing with asynchronous and event-driven code. Recognizing that some bugs may evade detection encourages developers to adopt strategies that reduce side effects during debugging. By carefully analyzing the underlying causes of these elusive bugs, you can improve your debugging skills and create more reliable JavaScript applications.